Okay, I have completely removed everything on the case, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's super dusty everywhere. On the front here, I don't know if I do my finger like this. So everywhere it's dust. I also unscrewed this one. So dusty. So even the fan holders, stuff like that. So yeah, everything is out of the box. And over there is the new motherboard with the memory and CPU cooler already installed. And I'm actually thinking of using the vacuum cleaner a little bit, and then just this wet sort of thing, and just dry everything off. So yeah, and by the way, that's the old motherboard over there. Some SATA cables. These are the power cables. It's a little bit dark, but yeah. And I am in the kitchen because it's a bigger table, and the kitchen is also the only place where there's this grounded connectors, and it's on the floor now, but I used that twist and also connected the case before. So yeah, I will continue.